How to fix Discord notification not going away. Method 1. Click on the Nitro tab. Open Discord. Click the Nitro panel on the left side. Scroll through the promotional message to mark it as read. In the Direct Messages section, click on each direct message to mark it as read. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Method 2. Close Discord completely and reopen it. While Discord is running, navigate to the icons tray in the taskbar. Right-click the Discord icon and click Quit Discord. Double-click your Discord shortcut to restart it. Method 3. Sign out and sign back into Discord. Open Discord. Click the gear icon to open settings. Click Log Out at the bottom left of the window. Click Log Out when prompted to confirm the action. Enter your login credentials and click Login. Method 4. Disable the unread message badge. Open Discord. Click the gear icon to open settings. Select the notifications panel. If you don't want to see the red dot notification, toggle off the Enable Unread Message Badge option. You may wait a few seconds and toggle the Enable Unread Message Badge option back on. Method 5. Delete Discord's file cache. Navigate to the icons tray in the taskbar. Right-click the Discord icon and click Quit Discord. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type %appdata %\Discord and Run, and click OK. Hold down the Control key and click on Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache folders to select them. Right-click the selected folders and click Delete. Relaunch Discord. Enter your login credentials and click Login. Method 6. Use the Mark as Read option. Open Discord. Select a server with a white dot next to it from the servers list. Right-click the server and click Mark as Read in the drop-down menu. Method 7. Disable server notifications. Open Discord. Select a server from which you don't want to receive notifications. Right-click the server and click Notification Settings. In the notification settings window, toggle on the suppress at everyone and at here option. Click Done. You can also suppress notifications from individual channels on a server instead of suppressing notifications server-wide. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and big files finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel.